Yellow leaves on your houseplant? Here's a fast, color-based diagnosis and the fix, step by step. Start here. Are the yellow leaves old at the bottom or new at the top? One or two old leaves can be normal. Many leaves or new leaves means stress. Now check soil, finger 2 inches down. Dry, damp, or soggy. Soggy soil plus soft, limp yellow leaves usually means overwatering. Fix: pause watering, empty saucers, and use a pot with drainage and airy soil. If roots smell bad or look mushy, trim rot and repot into fresh mix. Bone-dry soil and a very light pot points to underwatering. Leaves turn dull yellow, then crisp. Fix: water slowly until it drains, or bottom water 15 minutes, then drain. Low-light symptoms: slow growth, smaller new leaves. Too much sun causes bleached patches and brown scorch. Move the plant gradually or use a sheer curtain. Nitrogen deficiency. Older leaves fade to a uniform pale yellow. Potassium deficiency. Yellow edges that turn brown and crispy along the margin. Iron deficiency. Newest leaves yellow but veins stay green, often from high pH or hard water. Magnesium deficiency. Older leaves yellow between green veins, sometimes starting near edges. Feeding rule: half strength in spring and summer. Flush the pot monthly to prevent salt buildup. Pest clues: tiny yellow speckles, mottling, sticky residue, or deformed new growth. Check undersides and stems. Mites mean fine webbing. Thrips leave silvery streaks. Aphids cluster on tips. First steps: isolate, rinse, wipe with soapy water, and repeat weekly. Treat with insecticidal soap if needed. Disease clues: yellow with dark spots or halos, fast spreading, and mushy stems, often too wet and low airflow. Remove damaged leaves, improve airflow, water soil only, and consider fungicide if it keeps spreading. Recap: wet soil, wait. Dry soil, soak. Washed out leaves, more light. Bleached spots, less sun. Green veins, think nutrients. If you're still unsure, take a photo of the pattern, check the soil, and compare new versus old leaves. Save this video and comment your plant name. Your plant can recover. Focus on new growth over the next 2 weeks. Good luck and happy growing.